Well, we got a little farm truck in today. No reverse. The tranny's gonna have to come out, but I mean, it's got a little rat nest in here. Wires are chewed, hoses are totally rubber gone. The mice ate all the rubber hoses.
Been
I think
living
they
in
forgot
here.
about the filter. Do we need a little filter change here, people? Now give me a break. Come on, farmers. Man, you guys are better than that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Do you ever open your hood? Man. Anyway, we'll get her fixed, cleaned up, blowed out, I think, and get him taken care of. Stay tuned.